Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, Your World Explorer. Today is July the 9th, 2022, and we're looking at our Yardlong bean control setup. Now, a little bit of backstory. We had planted second-gen seeds that were produced right here from last year's crop. We planted those seeds on that side over there just past this crop. And they did good last year, but then this year they got infested with the root-boring nematodes. So now we're looking at a control setup where we've used black walnut hull powder mixed in with the dirt here, lasagna layered soil, so we have leaves, sand, and it looks like the black walnut hull powder, which contains a chemical called Yardlong, is effective against the root knot nematode. Now, I can't say that 100% it's effective, but at this juncture it is definitely looking like it's working out. So we've got these vines are growing up, the lead lines, they're already starting to get all the way up there to the tops, so I'm gonna have to produce some running lines all the way from that line to this one, and we'll do that probably soon. But if we need a testimony as to whether or not the Yardlong is working to keep the root knot nematodes out, I could say at this juncture it definitely looks like they're doing something. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe as it helps the channel grow. And stay tuned as I keep you updated on the progress of these Yardlong beans. Have a great day.